Hello viewers, tutorial 13 question 6, and we're making g the subject of t equals 2 pi times the square root of I over mgr. Okay, so we want to find g, which is inside this fraction, which is inside the square root, which is inside a multiplier by 2 pi. So the first thing we want to do there is to move the 2 pi to the other side, so divide by 2 pi. So we get t over 2 pi is equal to the square root of I over mgr. Okay, so the next thing to get rid of is we want to get at what's under that square root, which means we want to get rid of the square root itself. And that is done by the opposite of a square root is to square. So t over 2 pi, and we're squaring that, equals I over mgr. Okay, so we've now got one fraction on each side of the equation, and the letter that we're trying to find here is no longer inside a power. So we want the g, which is on the bottom, I want that on the top, which means I'm going to flip both sides of the equation. So we get 2 pi over t squared. We've flipped the left hand side, so we're flipping the right, equals mgr divided by I. Now let's bring the I over to the other side. It's dividing on this side, so it's going to multiply on this side. So we get I times 2 pi over t squared equals mgr. So we've got g times m and r on this side. We can divide by m and divide by r to get g on its own. So g on its own is going to be I, we're dividing by m times r, multiplied by this bracket squared, so 2 pi over t squared. So we've solved that for g. Okay, thanks for watching, over and out.